Alright folks, Pazzo Paul, and yes, it's Saturday. It is March 21st, 2020. Yeah, yesterday I noticed that they had put this screw in my tire again, which actually this vehicle's not even mine, but this is what these low-life, gang-stalking scum do when they run out of tricks. And this is all designed to harm the victim. So, just documenting this, and this would be, who knows, I'm probably, in totality, this has probably happened over 100 times plus. So yes, folks, and look, they put it on the side of the tire in hopes that it can't be repaired. But what they really hope for is, to me or whoever's driving this vehicle, is going to have a blowout and have an accident. I would definitely be on your knees praying that this doesn't backfire on you, whoever put that there.